Hi, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to repair this Lenovo 5 volt 1 ampere adapter. So while adapter it's dead, it's not working. So let me show you. I'm connecting the chargers in the series board. As I connected, always test your circuits with the series board. As you can see that this one is not working. On the other hand, while I connect to this charger, it's working good. So let's check what's the problem. First of all, we have to open this. It's loose already. Pull the circuit out. First of all, we should analyze which of the components are buzzed or damaged. As you can see that this capacitor is bulky. This one is also not good, and we have to also check this fuse first, and also from the back side. Let's remove this. You can see that some of the solders points are also dried up. So first of all, we have to change these two caps and check if the charger is working or not. Let me check the fuse first. It's a fusible resistor here. Let's check if it gives continuity or not. If it gives continuity, it will be okay. It's not giving continuity, so it's also open. So we also have to replace it. So let's change the fuse and the two caps. Now the bad components are removed, this resistor, these two caps, and I will replace them with new ones. There's a fusible resistor 0.4 ohm, and these are new two caps, 4.7 UF 400 volt caps. You can see that. Older ones were also 4.7 UF 400 volts. You can place near, for example 2.2 UF or 6.8. There is nothing wrong with them. So let's replace. While connecting the polarized capacitors, please make sure that don't connect them backwards, otherwise they will blow up. At the end, clean the circuit with isopropyl alcohol. Now let's put it back into the case. All the components are replaced. Let's put it back in the case and test for the final time. Again, I am checking into the series board. As you can see that charger is now working. So we have repaired the charger. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.